Yeah, Slumdon Bridge, Mr. Red, Catfish, back me up, let's go. I'm out the bark again, ball cracked on the target, demolish it. Don't jump out your seat, nah, take a squat and then think while I jump back on the beat. Like I need audiences to speak to, like a leech needs to retrieve blood. Shall I creep into these ambient sounds with a speech obvious? Witness the retardedness with cerebral palsy that's several pulses. You might need a coffin with holes in the top of these tubes to receive oxygen. Yeah, you're buried alive like a freak, 6 feet, clawing and snatching and gnawing like a cat and a dog and a rat and a hog and a pin with a frog, and all there is to eat is frog, and they beat each to a pulp with nails, teeth, and jaws, and then they fight to the death for at least a piece off of them. See that you back to bars again. He's all asleep in a coffin, man. I'm all that's been, ever was on the start of it. You mention the squad and then you mention the god of pins, not of men but of harder than flesh. I'm harder than titanium breastplates that are polished in, sticking MCs up like a fly trap or a bobby pin. When I rap I'm astonishing, I attack tracks like a train track strapped to a bomb and sin. Shockwaves of what I made, got this bastard popping then. I spit on my pop's grave without apology. Take shits on shih tzus, pisses on their glues, throw it up to the whole fucking world is sick too. Vomit and stomach fluid like you just ate shit stew. Did I say shit again? Do I give a shit, dude? Neither does Zilla Johnny give a shit if he sniffs glue, or Beethoven care if you like his hair or the stick used to orchestrate. Or does a porpoise hate when you dip through? Swimming in his ocean, no, he just moves. See it, and what I'm trying to say is, it's my motherfucking ocean, and I crossed it. We built the bridge, the Slumdon Bridge.